Yeah guys, short video here about my experience with this absolutely amazing pool brush here, which I bought just recently, and so I've been using it now for about 2 weeks. By the way, this is not a sponsor product or so, I paid full price, but it's absolutely amazing, especially compared to this old one here which I had, where I've never been really happy with it, because I mean the brushes are okay, they are still okay after a couple of years, but here the big problem is here on this side. So usually when I was using this here in the pool to clean, especially here like in the front and some other areas, I was always hitting the pool surface here with this edge here, and I've been fearing that I would damage the pool. You can see some damage here on the brush, so I've definitely been hitting the surface of the pool with this area, and that's definitely not something which is good, and that's something which can be prevented with this really amazing style here. It was easy to assemble in just 2 minutes. There were just 2 screws, one here and I think one here. That was it. This is how it looks, and so I've been able to just push it here inside into my existing pool cleaning pole, and so I can use it here much better. You can see I'm not touching any part of the surface here with anything hard, just with the soft brush here, no matter if I'm cleaning here on the top or actually here in the front or along the top surface here. And it gets even better than that, especially here in the skimmer area where I can go inside here. You can hear that maybe I'm not touching anything hard and can really nicely brush. That's an area where I usually have been struggling with algae grow, and so with this brush I've been able to remove everything easily. Also here around the corner you can see on the outside here, super easy to remove everything. Before I had to use some other brush, sometimes it was using toothbrushes or so. Also here on the top, absolutely amazing. I can just push, I don't have to stabilize it also, because when it's touching the left side of the pool here, like the outside wall, it doesn't matter because it's just hitting it with this soft brush here. And also very easy to clean the light here, which is recessed and sometimes really difficult to clean inside outside in a lot of different areas. I've never been able to clean it 100% before, and now you can see absolutely perfect, and so no surprise that there is no algae grow here anymore. It is absolutely amazing. I really don't understand why some manufacturers are still producing the old style brushes that can hit the pool surface with some hard areas, and then it could cause some damage. Pretty much impossible here. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let you know. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.